these made up. Let's see if I can get it up the right side. It's pretty cool, right? Add a bunch of these. First batch of flags. Found a flag company, and so yeah, we're gonna get some put on the motorhome and on the whip. So you guys know how much I've liked Buggy Whip. Buggy Whip's a phenomenal company. I did a whole promo video on them, I think, a year ago. Did a lot of views. We ran a promo with the channel and a discount code, and man, just a phenomenal product. Super happy with it. A lot of people ask, have I been happy with it? How's the quick release mount and all that kind of stuff? So this is just going to be a quick review because I got a new whip from them, and I think it's in the back. Yep. So I have a 6-foot whip, a 6-foot white LED that you guys have seen, and I really like the look, like big time, of the little 2-foot mini. So this is a brand new whip that I just ordered from Buggy Whip, and it's they're 2 foot tall, and I got it in red. I just think the car looks super racy now. The long travel kit looks awesome, and that's why I chose this size. I think it's just going to look cool. I think the whole vibe of the car is going to work. So wanted to just show you guys basically that this is how it comes to the house when you order one, just in a little tube like this. I did ask for some extra things, so we'll see if that's in there. And I'm still running the quick release mount. I ordered a second one just in case I decide to run one on the other side if I do dual whips. But I'm thinking for now I just like the look of one whip still. So, but I think it's going to look super cool. Let's get this thing opened up.
Well, they package it good, huh?
Yeah, they do. A little pop top at the end. All right, let's see what we got. Alright, so yep, came with it's nice because they send these little padded zip ties, and these zip ties are, man, they're perfect for running a flag if you're going to take the stock flag off of it, which I'm going to do. But the quality of these friggin' whips is insane. I mean, again, compared to what I had before I ordered Buggy Whip, it's night and day. It's not even close to the same quality. These guys really seriously do a heck of a job, and that's why they've been pretty much the #1 whip company forever. Been around forever, before LED whips. Look at that base, man. That thing's friggin' beautiful. I mean, that is stout. This has got to be the nicest whip out there. Has to be. A little cutie, a little 2-foot cutie. So we're gonna take this flag off real quick, and we're gonna get the channel flag on there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That looks good, man. Looks dope.
Pretty.
So this the mount up here, they have threaded bases if you guys want threaded, but quick release has been awesome. I don't know really why you wouldn't run a quick release base for most people, but you just pop it in there, and it's got a little cotter pin. They send an extra one usually. That's it. That's all there is to it. I think that looks awesome. Super cool. From now until the end of the year, we're running a channel promo with Buggy Whip, and that's going to be a 15% discount, guys. Really, like I said, incredible people. Really just willing to always help out and do things, and great customer service and fast shipping. And they were absolutely wanting to run another promo code. So you can take 15% off any of your Buggy Whip orders from now through the end of 2020. So that's awesome. Really, thank you guys. Thank Buggy Whip if you use the promo code. But yeah, go get you a Buggy Whip because they're super nice. Haven't seen a better quality whip out there, guys. Thank you, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.